See this as a wing. What are the parts?
You build the bird, I'll build the box. There's a tail and a wing there, Kate. Just stick it on, but I don't think it needs to be functional.
Because it needs to go in like
Oh,
that.
is it soft?
Yeah. Push it out. So that's it in.
Wow. Really?
That's the hard part.
You always think
It's
the
not
square
good.
ones are the easier ones.
It's awesome, Kate. It's majestic, to say the least.
Oh, it's down the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to plug into this box here. You can use an else to get that out.
Don't worry about the lucky piece, it doesn't really matter.
Why, damn it.
Shauna, don't bring your newspaper and I give you a task to do on a Friday morning,
I
huh?
can't. Unbelievable. I can't even get this out of here, damn it.
Use your pencil, sorry.
Inside of trading, you see.
Those puzzle boxes that we had, remember they were no pressure to together.
A strong chain is only as strong as its weakest link.
Yeah, fact. No, that's a problem. Okay, so that's the part I'm looking for, Kate. It'll have to be in front, surely. It'll have to be there, surely. That will have to be. Take the lid off there quickly. Let's do this. Wow. I'm sure you guys have seen more skill elsewhere.
Well, you're our first Durban one, so
I've
I haven't.
been seeing the jobbers.
Awesome!